15 must know Spanish nature and animals words. Let's start. Tree,
árbol,
flower,
flor,
leaf,
hoja,
cactus,
cactus,
river,
río,
mountain,
montaña,
sun,
sol,
moon,
luna,
owl,
búho,
butterfly,
mariposa,
turtle,
tortuga,
giraffe,
jirafa,
snake,
SIRPNTI,
penguin,
pingüino,
tropical fish.
peiceite tropical.
Subscribe for more videos.